I went to Japan 3 times last year, and after the third time, I thought that I'll get over it, but nope, just nope. The more I went, the more I missed it. So today I want to talk about the things I miss in Japan the most. Not just the tourist spots, but the small things that somehow made my experience in Japan even more memorable. First is the convenience store. They're not just convenience store. They are survival stations. Everything is there. You can get good coffee. You can get onigiri, fried chicken, egg sandwich, my favorite. Full meals, even socks, shirts. It's there. Yogurt, also my favorite. Everything is there. Don't miss it. I mean, you won't miss it because every street has one good convenience store. I don't know if it's just me, but you just have to go to a nearby convenience store before going back to your hostel. The trains, I miss how reliable the trains are. If it says 8:03, it's not 8:04, it's not 8:02, it's just 8:03. I how I wish we have something like that. Uh, Whatever. Never mind. Never mind. No comment. Number three, walking everywhere. In Japan, walking is such a very enjoyable thing to do. It's not a punishment. You can walk around and there's always something good to see. Vending machines, small shops, very aesthetic. What else? Quiet streets and random beautiful corners, parks, cherry blossoms. So many good things to see. I miss Japan so much. Four is food, of course. Cheap, even affordable foods in Japan, very intentional. I miss Japanese food, like the long lines, the beautiful stores, ramen, sushi, gyudon. My favorite, okonomiyaki. Ah, I miss Japanese food. Even the random snacks you found in like small streets or convenience store. What I would not give. I miss it. Everything feels like there's a lot of effort put into it. Even the egg sandwich. Oh, I really love egg sandwich, but even though for me it's a little expensive because you get so little, but I tried it many times, and every time I want something. I want more. I want more. And now that I'm stuck here in my place, uh, I want more. Number five. Number five is the quiet. I miss the peacefulness while in Japan. Even the crowded place somehow have order. People fall in line and lower down their voice. Like, imagine people there just respect your personal space. Even foreigners try to adjust. Like, maybe not all foreigners, but it's nice to see how tourists also adapt to Japanese culture or Japanese peace. Really makes you realize how loud you can be sometimes, if you know what I mean. Number six, vending machines everywhere. I don't know why, but I miss vending machines. They're everywhere. Some more expensive and some maybe farther from the city. It's becoming more and more or cheaper and cheaper. Hot coffee. They have hot coffee vending machine. They also have cold drinks. They also have ice cream. I tried ice cream on a winter and it's the best. Of course, it's matcha. Number seven is the feeling of safety. I mean, it's a big deal for me. I miss walking at night and not feeling worried. There are CCTVs everywhere. And even in my hostels, sometimes I forget that there are still bad people. I don't know. I mean, I can leave my phone, I can leave my laptop in the lobby of my hostel and without feeling anxious. I don't know. Maybe it's same in other countries, but in Japan, I'm 100% sure that when I was there, I did not feel anxious about it. Number eight, the small details, the clean streets, the polite staffs in the supermarket, in cafe. Wow, organized train stations, cute packaging, sometimes heated toilet seats. Ah, heated toilet seats. Japan really has that mentality of making things easier, but also like, why? I mean, life was not so hard, but then why make it so easy? Yeah, like the toilet seats. Like, ah, it's you just had to be there. Number nine, the feeling of traveling. Every city has a different vibe. Tokyo feels exciting. Kyoto feels classic. Osaka feels fun. Osaka feels fun. Nagano feels peaceful. Nagoya feels underrated. Every trip feels like a different version of yourself. And Fuji, I don't want to mention Fuji. When I was there, it was just cloudy and so gloomy, and I didn't see Mount Fuji like that much. So disappointing. Fuji, 1 star. The version of myself I become when I was there. This is probably the biggest thing. I miss who I've become when I was in Japan. I walk more, I explored more, I feel more, I enjoy the food more. I know directions even more. Like, I notice small things more. I love more. I feel more curious. I feel less anxious. I care more about time, and I feel like I'm more living in the moment, and I did not want things to end. I'm more adventurous when I'm in Japan. So yeah, I went to Japan 3 times last year, and it was the best year of my life, I think. And people might think that I should be over it, like I should not talk about it again and again. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you just have to bring everything up, like when you're just walking around the streets, and then you just bring it up. I mean, people, my friends find it annoying sometimes, and also they just can't relate. I mean, maybe they will, maybe they will one day. It's not just the food or the places or the trains. It's the feeling being in Japan. Japan has this way of making ordinary things feel so special. Just like in Shibuya. You know, it's just an ordinary crossroad, but when it's in Tokyo, it's more ceremonial, like, oh my god, it's crazy. Yeah, and it's crazy in a very fun way. And maybe that's the reason why I want to keep coming back to Japan, because I want that feeling, and including me, I become more special. I think that's all from me. um, I know I can talk about Japan all day. So many things to share, and so many things I did in Japan. I hope everyone watching this video, you get to experience Japan, and if you already did, why not keep on coming back? In this economy, we should be focused more on we should be more focused on traveling and less of saving, because time is short and life is just once. Make it count. Make it count. Well, anyway, thank you so much. This is still Bill, still believing, still becoming, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and see you in Japan.